Can I just get one thing straight? Today is a suggestion. But not only is it a suggestion, it's a suggestion on Phill Tankson, suggested to me by Tim Treadless, the YouTuber Tim Treadless, who has like almost 1,500 subs. I mean, wouldn't it make more sense to review Tim Treadless? I mean, it's his choice and what he wants to get reviewed, but yeah, I mean, you can let me know. But yeah, today he has asked me to review Phill Tankson. Phill Tankson is the Nitroade Racer for Cars 3, as we can see here. Of course, he was seen in Cars 3, like I said, and he replaced Aiken Axler. And then later on, Phill Tankson was replaced by Tim Treadless. Not the YouTuber, just the next gen Tim Treadless. As you can see, the evolution of the team. Pretty much the same. So let me know in the comments which is your favourite. We'll take a closer look at them later on. But here is Phill Tankson. He was released in case L of 2017. And we can see here, very nice. Here is the front. We've got the nice smile, very nice. I'd love to see a mini racer of Phill Tankson. Not sure if there is one, but yeah, love to see one. Just that smile, it's just like he's happy to be on the track, I guess. We've got no 28 on the under the headlight for some reason. Like on all Piston Cup races, there's a number under the headlight. We've got the lights. Here is the sponsor, Nitroade, in this orange and black decaling in this like pill-shaped colour, and of course the slogan reads "High Energy Drink." Very nice, as you can see there. There's his expression, his eyes. On the top, we've got 28. We've got the roof flaps. We've got support bars and window bars, and again we've got the sponsor there as well at the back in this pill colour. Very nice. Now go on to the side of the car. We've got Lightyear on top of the car, and also the Lightyear rims in this silver colour. To the side, we got all the sponsors for Cars 3. If it would focus. Let's turn on the flashlight, see if that works. Yep, that seems to work. Got Piston Cup, Bartolone, Revolting, RPM, Nitroade, Octane Gain and Clutch Aid. Very nice. We'll keep the flashlight on here because it is nicer. 28 there. We've got the arrow to indicate to Pity where to lift him up and change the tyres. Very nice. At the back here we've got the other Lightyear tyre. And on the back we've got Nitroade. The D and E is covered up by the fuel cap. We also got flames coming out of the back of the car. Here is the back. We got Nitroade sponsors. High energy drink. We got again high energy drink again right there and there. Exhaust pipes here and here. Very nice. And we got 28 there. Very nice. I do like Phill Tankson. He's a nice car. And of course here is his base. Made in China. We will see a Thailand release maybe next year. He is on my predictions for next year. So yeah, that does end the review on Phill Tankson. But like I usually do, I'll bring out the whole team and talk for a few minutes. So here is Aiken Axler. This is, I believe, the China release. So comparing him now, the team is pretty much the same. It's just that he's a bit taller. As you can see, he's just that bit taller and longer. I believe he is the Bobby Swift model too. Very nice. Do not have the Thailand Aiken, unfortunately. Now we're going to compare him to Tim Treadless. Of course, the next gen. Put that down. This is the Thailand release, the more accurate release. Still, for some reason, without the rookie stripes. Made in week 51 of 2019. So I've had this for quite a while now. I do like the darker orange on the Thailand variant. Of course, we've got the words Nitroade there, and this time the O, there's a flame coming out of it. Very nice. There's that. So we've got the 3 races there. We'll put Phill in the background, and I'll show you my Aiken Axler collection. So we've got the Thailand one, the original Thailand, as you can see, Thailand from 2005 and 6. We got this version. We also got the lenticular version of Aiken Axler. Very nice. I believe I've got all 3 versions except for the newest Thailand release. Put him in the back because he is a Nitroade Racer. Next, we will look at all the members. We've got the crew chief here for Tim Treadless and Nitroade. Very nice. The unique model. We'll put him in the background too over here. He likes to roll a lot. I've noticed that. Stay. We got Pitty over here. We got Hugo, which came with the tool chest and the tyre, which you saw in my thumbnail. Got some dust on him because he has been on my shelf for quite a while. Haven't touched him. He's got that dent there because back when I was 7 or 8, when I was collecting, I used to play with my cars, like most people. So Hugo is there. I believe that's his name. Tool chest, and we got the tyres. We got the 2 tool pitties. I believe they are both the same. They're no variant difference. We also got the pitty from the hauler gift pack with the gun, which is rarer, of course. And of course, we also got the normal wide pitty. The pitties with the gun are always that harder to get. So if you see them, definitely pick them up on eBay because, like I said, they are only in that set with the hauler, whereas these pitties are in the set with the crew chiefs. So we put those aside. Over here we do have the hauler. I believe his name is Eric. I'm not too sure. But yep, we've got the Nitroade Racing there. Of course, this is my thumbnail. Very nice. We'll take a look at the hauler. Very nice. Inside. I'm not doing a team review because it wasn't a suggestion. We got the nice expression there. Mine's missing the side mirror, unfortunately. Now you know what's coming next. My Tim Treadless collection. We got I got 2 China releases back in 2017. The non-metallic one. I don't have metallic Tim, but what I do have metallic is this one, the silver and metallic one, which is just amazing. You just gotta love the metallic back and the silver front. It's just, I feel like I gotta do a review on this. We also have the drag racing Tim Treadless. Very nice. Also, what I have is this Disney Store one. Very nice. Massive. And last thing that I got to show of the Nitroade team is these minis Tim Treadless. I tell a lie, I do actually have a metallic Tim, but this is the mini version. We got the silver one. Here we got the regular one, I believe. This is the regular one actually. And over here we also got the glow in the dark one because it's got the white base outlining there. So yeah, that does end the video on Tim Treadless. And actually, no, it doesn't, unfortunately. Sorry to get your hopes up. We've got my package collection of Tim Treadless now. We got this one here. We also got Phill Tankson from the XOS Muddy Racing Series. Of course, comparison quickly. Very nice. It's got the red rims, which I really like. Those red rims on Phill Tankson are just, wow, amazing. And of course, the darker red spoiler at the back. XOS. Very nice. Should have showed him at the start on my video, but apologies for that. We also have this silver Tim Treadless here in the package. We also got a Thailand Tim in the package. Very nice. Thailand. And of course we also got the 2017 release too of Thailand Tim Treadless. Very nice. Of course the original 2017 packaging. So yeah. Let's just bring out the team. We got Phill Tankson. We got Tim Treadless. We got Aiken Axler. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. Mine will go Phill Tankson, Tim Treadless and Aiken Axler. Or it's a tie between these two. We got these here. He does not want to stand still. I don't know why. Stay. There we go. Hugo in the background too. And just because he is so amazing in a metallic colour, we've got silver and metallic Tim Treadless. And my next review is going to be on Steve Hearsell up here, as you can see. So look forward to that. So yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below to the next one. Bye guys. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do, as you can see. Man.